Oh, okay, everybody. Yeah, this ain't really a how-to video, really. It's just, let people know what kind of products are out there besides the name brand, the big name brand. The chainsaw, right here. It's I don't know if you can see, Gentle Ride Turbo. CS2152. This little chainsaw, I found it on the road, at a buddy's house. Yeah, I was on the road, but, I'm really not sure where I got it. But anyways, pretty hot saw, if you know what I mean. My buddy, he was having trouble, I did my Uncle Sharpie, he's the sharpest one in the family. I think that's why they call him Uncle Sharpie. But he was having trouble with his steel, them fancy steel chainsaws. I don't know. They're just one step above them Husker burners, and I don't even know about that. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna show you how this bad boy runs. I'm trying to sell it. Trying to sell it back to my, to my uncle. He gave it to me or found it. I don't know. It's a hot saw, though. It's a good one. Let's see how this goes, buddy. Yeah. Right there. That's the cream of the crop right there, I wouldn't trade it for nothing. I'll probably sell it though, I don't know. Well, I told my Uncle Sharpie, I said, hey, since you gave it to me, I can probably sell it to you $250, I don't think that's bad. I don't think that's bad at all, but we'll see. He likes them steels, Yeah, he's still working on it too. Well, folks, we'll catch you later. Johnson Ride.